Welcome to our state-of-the-art bandsaw blade manufacturing facility. We specialize in producing a variety of high-quality bandsaw blades for a variety of cutting needs. From metal to wood, no matter what you need to cut, we have the right bandsaw blade for you. Our bandsaw blades are made of high-quality steel and undergo rigorous heat treatment and cold rolling processes to ensure that each bandsaw blade has excellent strength and durability. We subject every bandsaw blade to rigorous quality testing to ensure they meet the highest standards. Whether it is industrial production or handicraft production, our bandsaw blades can easily handle the task and help you complete efficient and precise cutting tasks. Customer satisfaction is our pursuit. We are committed to providing you with the best quality products and services. Choose us. Choose high-quality bandsaw blades. Welcome to contact us for more product information.